On a beautiful morning, I woke up to the sweet sound of tiny meows echoing through my home. My cat had given birth to 5 precious kittens during the night, but I soon realized she couldn't nurse more than 4 of them. From the 4 that were left, I noticed one wasn't getting any milk from the mother. So I decided to adopt that little one and give it the care it needed. I started feeding it with a bottle and giving it all the love and attention it deserved. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness can make the biggest difference in a life.